Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to complete the Forgotten Tools quest in Visit. First, just head to the Kohana Island and then just go straight to the laboratory like this. And then just talk to the NPC Lucy like this. And then just take a note, you can only accept this quest after completing the sample quest from the scientist Jameson. So if you haven't done that yet, just check the link in the description for the full tutorial. And once you're ready, accept the Forgotten Tools quest from the NPC, and your task is to deliver scientist Samantha's tools to Crater Island. And then just take the tool, travel to Island, and then just find the NPC Samantha over here, and then talk to her and hand over the tools to complete the quest. And okay, that's it, the quest is complete and you will get the 15,000 coins as your rewards. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.